These don't look fun at all. And where do I want to start? Here, maybe? And then I can get this ridge done and do that, that. Yeah, we'll try that. This does have a relief in it. So maybe we'll go to here. I'll try it. Okay. Now the fun one. Gonna lay that guy down because he just fell right off of there. Of course, that's where the paper scored enough to become an issue. Whoa! And that, and that. All right, so I'll try to hold the bottom up while I deal with that. There. That's on that point. That rolls down to there. That works. And this is where it's going to get fun. Try to get some of this bunched up material out of here. I need my fingers. Let's do this. A little bit of a issue right there. I think I got it though. Still a little ridge on it, but start walking it away. I could still see them a little bit, but let's try to alleviate that because it's gonna annoy me. Alright, that fell out of there. Alright, that worked out a lot better. Still got a little bit of build up there, but it's closer to the edge, so I think we can get away with it. Push it out that way and push it out this way. Again, push it out that way and this way. And again, out that way and this way. And then just kind of relax it. Back over here to this. I like all that. That helped with this too. I don't have as much here to, I mean, there's a little bit. It kind of rolls over pretty hard here. Walk that out. flex that a little bit, and then just all right. All my cutouts are where they should be. I thought there was another one over here. This gap is good all the way around. This gap here is good. That is good there and all through here. So nice. And then this one of these is part of the, yeah, like that. That'll go on the frame. You could put them on when it's on the bike. I had to get this off of here so I can template it and remake it. Good material. And then I gotta get this one off of here too. Again, with this, I'll take a picture of it and trace it. Okay, I did that while this was going. I made a quick template of this from that. I threw it away already. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna make it work because I did it 3 times. Because I was not rushing. Well, I was kind of rushing. And not paying attention. And the first one I did, this one didn't have the light blue pinstripe on it, just here. So I was like, oh, let me remake it. So then I remade it, and then I was like, then I found out it wasn't square, and this was upside down. So then I remade it again. So if it doesn't fit, we're gonna make it fit. So apparently this goes on the bike like that. Air inlet for the air filter. And I don't know how this is gonna match up, but let's see if my template works. So far, so good. I made that, I stuck that stuff to the table here, and I just put my squeegee squared up with the table next to it. Hold my camera on my phone as level as I can. Snap a picture, send it to myself in Messenger, scaled the picture off the size of the squeegee in the picture, traced it, and there we go. Yeah. Easy peasy Japanesey, as Brooks would say. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, and then these, are these correct? Yeah. Second guessing myself. These are for the sides, so I'm just gonna line them up as best I can. The templates that were on there weren't the best. They kind of ran into each other, so but looks like I lined them up properly by guessing. A little aggressive there, and yeah, that works. I'll just kind of work this bottom into place, and yeah, that could have went like that a little better. With it being someone else's template I traced off of, I'm kind of at the mercy of where this lands, because I didn't take the time to make my own. Some of that there. And I probably could have just cut this here, but now at least it'll all be gloss black, match the rest of the prints on the bike. And that, it's a little wrinkly, but well, it was a little wrinkly, now it's not. Spread that material out. That'll do. Done. I finished up that thing because the heat, I was talking about it, but the heat kicked on and you know how it goes. So let's take a look. We got this. Just a little color on it to tie in the rest of the bike. The front suspension shields for the forks. All the edges are nice. The blue is actually better than I thought it was. Now that it's all on there, it really doesn't. It's probably going to be better in the sun too. That's the other one. The front number plate. Rear fender. Front fender. And then the sides. So this is all my my lines matched up fairly well for, you know, what it is. Now this is the big bulky side. Everything laid down there good. Oh, I missed a spot here with my, forgot to finish. And all the sponsors he wanted on them. And then the other side as well. So that'll do it on this really good template. If I remember, I'll put in the description where I got that from, the website I got it from. It was reasonable too for what it is. You know, I've bought some snowmobile templates that are over $100 and don't fit nearly as good as those do. But that's everything for that. I got to make him some little decals now just to have, and that'll wrap this job up. Not a bad Friday. I'm gonna bag this up for him, let him know it's ready, and start prepping for a truck tomorrow. Again, that was Substance motocross material with their 3150 over laminate. So thanks for watching, and if you liked it, leave a comment. That helps the channel. And if you're not subscribed already, I've been posting twice a week, so more to come. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.